This video is on naming cycloalkanes or compounds that contain cycloalkanes. The general rules are the same as for regular alkanes. So look for how many carbons are in the ring, and that is most likely the name. You just add the cyclo in front. For example, this here is cyclopentane. If you happen to have one single substituent, you don't actually need to number it. However, if there are multiple substituents, you must name it so that you are using the lowest possible numbers. And finally, if the substituents are longer than the cycle itself, the cycle becomes a substituent. Practice naming these two structures. You may pause now. And here are the answers.